Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft Video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas decoration ideas for your house. As you know that without decorations Merry Christmas is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful idea about for my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. So guys, please watch this video to end and collecting my beautiful channel in these collections. 70 plus unique idea recreate and transfer your house beautiful way on the fresh centerpieces designs for my viewers. Beautiful idea, beautiful creativity. These decorations specially for your home decorations, wall decorations, drawing room decorations, fresh flower, fresh centerpieces, and for fresh years, and designs will look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and give more idea about how to create and how to transfer your house on the ways of Merry Christmas 2025. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the Merry Christmas 2025. Centerpieces look so attractive. All the designs are very unique and trending. All our modern way to celebrate your festival. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the creativity. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. This door decoration is so amazing and beautiful. These decorations, especially door decorations, wall decorations, mirror decorations, drawing room decorations and any other celebration functions for especially Merry Christmas. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. They look so attractive, so stylish, so beautiful. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Centerpieces look so attractive and enhance the beauty of your wall decorations, door decorations. Thank you so much.